Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Rebtel, a popular international calling and messaging app. This guide is designed for beginners, and we will walk you through the process of getting started with Rebtel step by step. First, you need to download and install the Rebtel app on your device. You can find the app in the App Store on your smartphone or visit the Rebtel website to download it to your computer. Once you have installed the app, launch it and create an account by providing your name, email address, and phone number. After creating your account, you will need to verify your phone number. Rebtel will send a verification code to your phone, which you need to enter in the app to complete the verification process. This step is important to ensure that your account is secure and that you can make calls and send messages. Now that your account is set up, you can start making calls and sending messages to your friends and family around the world. To make a call, simply enter the phone number of the person you want to call and select the call button. Rebtel will connect your call and you can start talking. You can also send messages, including text, images, and videos, to your contacts. One of the key features of Rebtel is its low-cost calling rates. You can make calls to over 50 countries at very competitive rates. And you can even make free calls to other Rebtel users. Rebtel also offers a range of payment options, including credit cards, PayPal, and online banking. To get the most out of Rebtel, it is a good idea to familiarize yourself with the app's interface and features. The app has a simple and intuitive design, making it easy to navigate and use. You can also customize your settings, such as setting up a ringtone or changing your profile picture. In addition to making calls and sending messages, Rebtel also offers a range of other features, including call recording, voicemail, and call forwarding. You can also use Rebtel to make video calls, which is a great way to stay in touch with friends and family who live far away. In conclusion, Rebtel is a powerful and easy-to-use app that makes it simple to stay in touch with friends and family around the world. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can get started with Rebtel and start making calls and sending messages right away. Remember to take advantage of Rebtel's low-cost calling rates and range of features to get the most out of the app.